In this video, we are going to build ChatGPT-like UI for your chatbots by entirely using Python. The process is very quick and simple. Here, we are going to use one of the very best libraries out there for building UI for chatbots, and the name is Chainlit. Chainlit provides us with multiple features. Here, I wrote a couple of features out of those, like dark mode, user action button, upload file, user input questions, and also it provides us the ability to show elements like text, image, audio, video, file, etc. on the UI to the users. So without any further ado, let's begin. Here I have already created the virtual environment for the Chainlit. Now we just need to install Chainlit, which is pip install Chainlit. I have already installed it, so it will show requirement already satisfied. This is done. Now let's just open main.py. So here I have imported the Chainlit as CL, and here is the decorator I'm using, which is CL on chat start, which means this function will run whenever the chat will get started. So let's just understand what this function is doing. So here I have defined a function async. Chainlit only works with async functions. Now we are using the variable res, and here we are awaiting this, and we are asking user to type the message cl.ask user a message. And what we are asking the user, what is your name? And here I have given the timeout as 30 seconds. So we'll wait for 30 seconds for the user to type this, and we'll say dot send. This is the format of Chainlit. And if the user type the answer, and if the rest is not none, we will await the message, and here we'll type hello, whatever be the name of the user, and we'll say you are watching Chainlit tutorial. We'll just save this file. I just wanted to comment out everything. Here I have written some code. And now we just run by using chainlit run and main.py. And here we'll pass a flag called -w, which means watch. So it will watch whatever changes we have saved and it will update it on the running API. So let's just run it and see what happens. If we run this, the API will run on the localhost 8000 and it will ask us what is your name. So if we go back to our code, here is the content of the ask user message. And if you can see what is your name, and the chatbot is asking us what is your name. So I'll write my name here. My name is Abid. And once I input my name and press enter, it will give me, hello Abid, you're watching Chainlit tutorial. So here, if you can see, hello. And in this res content, my name gets saved and this is the static message. Now let's just say we want to change this chatbot, which is by default, which Chainlit provides us. So we can pass in one more parameter here, which is called author equal to, and here I'll write my chatbot, and I will just save this and we will run this again without the W parameter. Close this. Yep. So as you can see, here it is showing my underscore chatbot, which we have changed in the author parameter. So this is how you can change this parameter as well. Now I'll pass in again my name and it will show us, hello Abid, you're watching Chainlit tutorial. Here it is showing chatbot because here while passing the message, we have not changed this parameter. So if we want to show again the same thing, we'll pass it my chatbot again here as well. And if we save this, close this one, run this API again, and we'll use Abid. And as you can see, both of these places will get changed to my chatbot from chatbot. I'll just close this one as well. Now, let's just say we want to give the user the ability to upload the file. So here we'll ask the user for a file. So I'll just uncomment all this code which I have written. I will just uncomment it. And here first we'll give files variable as none. Here we'll wait for the user to upload the file. So we'll say while files equal to none, files equal to await.cl ask file message. This is the class which we are using from the Chainlit library, and we'll pass the content. Please upload a text file to begin, except text/plain.csv. And here we'll send it. Now text files equal to 0, and we'll parse this and we'll send the message await cl.message content text file.name uploaded. It contains length of text. So here we are passing out the text from the file and we are saying this is the length of the text. So let's just save this and run it and see what happens. I'll just run it. Now I will give my name and it will ask me to upload the file. So here I can upload anything. So let's just say I have uploaded one file which is called testing2.csv. You can drag and drop as well. So I have uploaded here and you can see testing2.csv uploaded and it contained 83608 character. So it is working as expected. Now let's just comment out this code as well. And we want to give user the ability to react to a message. So here we'll uncomment this code as well. So what here we are doing, we want user to react on the reply of the chatbot. And we want to ask user, are you satisfied with the answer? Once you click yes or no, you can continue asking another question. Here we are passing actions as two kinds of actions which we want user to take. One is yes, another one is no. So here if res and res dot get value equal to continue, await cl dot message content equal to continue. So here this is not continue actually. Here the value is yes. So I'll just say change it to yes and the content is yes and I'll just save it. So user will get an option to click two buttons. One will be yes and the label will be like this. Another one will be no and the label will be like this. So I'll just save it and you can see it. Let's just save it and run the UI again. What is your name? I'll pass in my name again. Yes. Hello Abid, you're watching Chainlit tutorial. Now the chatbot is asking us, are you satisfied with the answer? And the user can click on yes or no. And if I click on yes, it will give me yes. The user has clicked yes. So it will give me the response as well. Now let's just say we want to show the text block, a static text block on this UI. So how we can do it? So I'll just comment out this code once again and we'll go to the next part. So here we have the text code. So if we uncomment it, so here I'm passing the text content equal to attention is all you need, elements equal to cl.text, name is text element, content is text content, which is this, and the display equal to inline. We want to show this text inline. And here I'm passing await cl.message. Check out this text element, elements equal to elements dot send. So this will send it to the UI. So I'll just save this and run this API once again. So let's just see how it will look. First, we need to pass in our name. I'll just pass in my name and yes, here it is showing the text block which we have created. Text element and attention is all you need. So here is the name of the text element and this is the content. So content is shown here. Now, along with the text, let's say we want to show the image as well. So I'll just comment out this code as well. Now we are passing the element equal to image and we are passing image equal to image1, display equal to inline is image1.jpg. So in the local folder here, I have this image, image1.jpg. So this image, which is my YouTube channel information, I wanted to show on the UI. And again, same thing, I will await and cl.message content, look at this local image, elements equal to elements dot send. I'll just save this, close the API and run it once again. So let's just see, it will ask us to show the name. So I'll pass in my name. Hello Abid, you're watching Chainlit tutorial. Check out this text element, which was the earlier code. And now look at this local image. So here is the local image. So it is showing very small. So we can pass in one parameter called size and we'll pass size equal to large. We'll save this and run the API once again. Now we need to pass the name. So here the image became large. You can refer to Chainlit documentation to find out more parameter and how you can use it. Like this is the size which we have used. The default is medium. I have given it large as well. So this is the documentation. You can read it and find out the other parameters as well. Now let's go back and add the video to the UI. So I will just remove the text and image, both the things. I will let the image be on the UI and I will add the video as well. So here I'm uncommenting this code. What is this code? Await cl.video. Here is the example.mp4 and the path is, I will change the name as well. We don't need to change it, but I will change it. So here the name I will write as langchain agent.mp4. It does not matter. And here I'm passing the path because langchain agent.mp4 is file present in my local folder and display equal to side and I'm sending it. And here I'm awaiting the message content. Here is the langchain agent.mp4 video file. And if I save it and run the API again, this will give me the ability to download this video. So as you can see, it will ask me the name. Once again, I will pass in my name. It will show me the look at this local image. It will load and here is the langchain agent.mp4 video file. And if I click on this, it will download this video. So I don't want to click on this. Now let's go back and comment this one. Let's just save it. And if you have observed, once we are running this API, it is showing us this readme.md file for a second. If I click on this readme, it is giving me the information about Chainlit. So you can change it according to whatever you want. So how to change it? Just go back to our code file And whenever you run this API for the first time, there is one file got created here, which is called chainlit.md. And in this file, whatever you change, it will reflect on the README file. So I'll just change to by Abid. I'll add one more line here. I'll pass. I'll run this API once again, and let's just see how it will look. And I'll go to README section, and here changed by Abid. So you can change this file by going into the chainlit.md file. And there are so many things which you can achieve by using Chainlit. There are so many things which Chainlit provides, like prompt, like there are different kinds of decorators on message, on chat, and on chat start. So you can explore it, you can play around with it. It's a very fun library. I am also exploring it. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much. Once you have created the UI for your chatbot, and you want to know how to build the backend of the chatbot, you can check out my this video, which is building a private GPT. Thank you so much.